The number of recoveries in Delhi, however, have now crossed the 1 lakh mark. Delhi reporting 1,475 new cases. This is the 8th straight day that Delhi has reported between 1,000 and 2,000 cases, which is considerably down from its earlier highs of 3 and 4,000. Sukirti joining us with the latest on that. Sukirti, we've already heard the Delhi Chief Minister touting this as a victory of sorts. Are we now seeing a trend here?
Well, yes, if we go by at least the last 8 days, there seems to be a trend because we've been seeing a daily spike that keeps revolving between 1,000 to 2,000, which is a huge relief for the national capital because until last month we were facing a very severe situation where the cases were going towards the 3,000 and even near the 4,000 mark. If we look at June 23rd, which was our worst day, then the daily spike that we saw on that day was 3,947 cases, which is nearly 4,000 cases. And at that point of time in that month, the number of deaths we were seeing were also high. There was a hospital bed crisis that we were witnessing. However, compared to all of that, we are in a much better situation now with about 16,000 active cases and our hospital bed situation being doing so well at this point of time that we have about 10,000 hospital beds vacant while only 5,000 are occupied. So considering for the national capital where projections were as bad as expecting 5.5 lakh cases by the end of July and a requirement of about 81,000 hospital beds. So comparing to all of those figures, the kind of nightmare that we were expecting, we are doing much better. However, 1,500 cases per day is still significant, and that's something that the government is aiming to reduce at this point of time. They say that yes, seems to be a victory at this point of time, but we will not put our guard down, and the Delhi government will continue to have all measures in place in the upcoming days as well.